made by humans, and humans are the reason why you keep on running as well. With a lot of accusations, conflicts online. Am I the problem, or you are? Are you safe on social media? Nowadays, numerous individuals utilize social media irresponsibly and don't even know how to take accountability for their actions. The majority of the people on the planet lack the literacy necessary to manage their social media accounts, and a number of issues impact their own mental, emotional, and moral well-being. When to take action? Who will take action? Are your media information literate enough? If not now, then when? Proper etiquette is the key. Be cautious, accountable, and a credible fact seeker. Remember the power you hold as a cyber citizen. Everyone has the right to access the internet, regardless of age, as long as they are properly guided and practice appropriate cyber citizenship. It's about humanity, not me. Remember,